and welcome to today's tip. Now I'm going to be making a lovely cloud card today. Now what I've done here is die cut out a circle. If you don't have a die cut machine, you could just use a compass, a craft knife, or anything that's got a hole, a perfect hole in it is going to be useful. So I'm just going to use my circle just to make sure it's right in the middle, and then I'm going to pull that one out. With my piece of scrap paper, I'm going to be making sort of cloud shapes with it. Now don't worry too much and don't get too hung up about the shapes and what they look like, as long as they're sort of hilly is the best description. You want the one with less of a thin line. Now I'm going to start at the bottom here, and with a combination of iced spruce and that peacock lovely blue in the distress inks here, I'm just going to slowly start building up a little bit of colour. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my really beautiful cloud stamp, and again I'm going to put my template over the top, and then I'm going half off and half on the circle like that, and again just mixing them on the pads. And then I'm just going to do some looser ones that like second or third runs, so they sort of fade into the distance. I'm going to add one dark one in there, I think, just to bring it all together. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay, sticking with the archival ink here, I've got my Happy Days stamp, and I'm really going to ink it up super, super well. Look how gorgeous that looks. And mounted on this lovely gold, I thought that really helps it, all that colour stand out. What a beautiful card, and what a lovely process. Now you can do it, I've got a couple of other ideas here. This was my playing around sheet. I've got a lovely winter scene here. So exactly the same process, just using the trees instead of the clouds, and that was my one that I put a little bit of colour around the outside too. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you next time.